Here's the app called Themie, icons, themes, and widgets. So you can then just install it. So let's just take a look in here. So here's the app themes. Widgets and wallpapers, leading fast and professional themes app of 2024. But yeah, it's still in the top charts. So a lot of exquisite widgets, HD wallpaper changer, easy one-click replacement, and 1,000+ ever-growing themes, custom app icons, regularly updated themes, Georgia's wallpapers, puffy themes, amazing colorful widgets, lock screen widgets, and so now you have it in here. It just keeps loading, and I just wanted to check out like the pricing in here. So you can see yearly access only $15 per year. Is this true? So yeah, that's actually true. So it makes this one of the cheapest apps right now on the market. So there is another app called Themie, which is like $20 per year. This app is that's where you have it. And then there is weekly access. So there is 3-day free trial. 3-day free trial, then $4 per week. But this app has a pretty cheap weekly price. So then here is the app you have. So you have gems where you can get like a daily gift. But then there are a lot of annoying ads. And then there are rewards. Then you can also share it to friends. So a lot of themes, just kind of like a standard app in here. A lot of different wallpapers you have in here. A lot of different icons which you have, and then there are widgets which you have in here. And then there are mine, so then you can discover themes. Again, annoying ad. So that's like super annoying. But yeah, they just push you to upgrade. So yeah, that's what it is. And then you can just set up widgets, set up icons, wallpapers, and that's what it is. So yeah, here is the app called Themie, icons, themes, and widgets.